What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite topics, and that is passive income, the holy grail of income. More importantly, we're going to talk about some passive income streams that can make over $1,000 per month. And I've been doing these passive income streams for quite a while now, and these are the best ones that are going to work in 2020 and moving forward. Now, if you're new to passive income, essentially what passive income is when you put money somewhere and you get money in return without doing any work. Now, true passive income can only be done in a few ways, which we will be talking about in this video, but some other passive income streams will require a little bit of work up front and usually some sort of maintenance going forward, but in most cases it's very minimal, and we will be talking about that in this video. So idea number one is probably one of the biggest passive income streams at the moment for a lot of people, but it depends how you set it up, and I'll explain to you how I set mine up in a second. But that passive income stream is creating an online course or membership. This is quite big right now, and a lot of people are making a lot of money. For example, this award here, I have two of them right here. These represent seven figures each. So basically, you use this program if you create a course with them or you use their service, you make over 7 figures, they send you these big awards. So that kind of proves that online courses are working extremely well. Now, you might be saying, well, online courses are not really passive, and that is true for a lot of people. So a lot of people go and do advertising and things like that. But the way I sell my online courses is through organic traffic, and it's pretty much passive. All I do is a little bit of maintenance and upkeep every now and then, like updating the course every year and doing a little bit of support for my students. But essentially, it does become very passive the way that I do it. Now, with courses, a lot of people kind of like don't really know where to start and all sorts of things like that, and they think they have to have a course in the make money online niche or fitness niche, but you don't actually have to. So I know someone that has a course on how to ride horses, and they do over 7 figures per year. I also know someone that has a fishing course, and they do over, I think, maybe $20,000 or $30,000 per month. So you can have a course in any type of industry. Now, creating a course is very simple. There's lots of platforms online that you can use. You can use one called, there's one called Teachables, which is what we use, and it's very simple, and you can go and upload your content to Teachables. Now, getting the traffic is quite easy as well. I recommend 2 ways. There's a website you can use called Udemy, and you can actually upload a course to Udemy, and they have organic traffic on there. So you don't have to worry about the traffic. The traffic is already on that website, people looking for courses. Although the downside about Udemy is you don't make a lot of money, and because they take, I think, around about 50% of the price that you have, and you usually have to price your course pretty low. Another traffic stream that I use, probably the best way to do it, is organic traffic. So things like YouTube, but mostly I get most of my course sales from my online blogs. So I have multiple online blogs that bring me passive income from articles that I wrote a long time ago. So that's probably the best way to do it, is to go out and create a website or blog in your particular niche, but starting a course is a great way to make passive income. Now, number 2 is something that you will need to put a little bit of work in at the start, but it does truly create passive income, and I'll explain to you why it's truly passive income in a second, and that is starting a YouTube channel. Now, a lot of people think that a YouTube channel isn't passive, but if this particular YouTube channel that you're watching right now makes around about, let me just check, I think I'm doing around about $18,000, I'll put a thing up on the screen, $18,000 per month. Now, most of this money, pretty much all of the big money, comes from videos that I posted months ago. One of them even over a year ago, and some of them even 2 or 3 years ago. They are completely passive. Now, the best way to start a YouTube channel is to simply start a YouTube channel on something that you like, and think of the word how to. And what I mean by that is literally everybody is searching for how-to stuff on the internet in every single niche. So for example, I do a lot of videos like how to make money online, how to start blogs, how to do affiliate marketing. I recently started a new channel in the gaming niche because I like to do a lot of gaming, and although it's starting off very slow, I did a video on how to unlock the grease gun in Battlefield, and it's got over 3,500 views. How-to keywords work extremely well in YouTube. And yes, you can make a very good amount of money on YouTube depending on the niche that you're in, but my advice would be just to start a YouTube channel on something you enjoy. Don't do it on something you don't know anything about. Like, for example, if you don't know how to make money online, you don't know anything about that, don't start a channel in that industry. Now, number 3 is a great way to make passive income online, and this is called affiliate marketing. You don't need your own product. You don't need to create anything. All you do is need to send traffic to a specific link. So here's an example of mine. This one here is one of the products that I make affiliate marketing commissions from, and you can see it kind of goes up and up and up, and this is quite passive. With this particular program that I promote, I don't do any work now. I make money because these people are on recurring plans. So they basically, I get a percentage every single month from these people being on this affiliate marketing plan. Now, I have a lot of videos on affiliate marketing on my channel, so we're not going to dive deep into affiliate marketing right now. But if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, you can check some out on my channel, or I'll leave a video up on the screen with a little card that you can check out a full tutorial on affiliate marketing, and you can learn how to do it. But it is one of the best ways to make passive income online if you do it with organic traffic. You don't need your own product. You simply just send people to a specific link, and you get a commission every time someone purchases from that link. I'll have a video on how you can get started in affiliate marketing. Now, number 4 is also one of my favorites, but it will take a little bit of money up front and a little bit of time, and this is called creating a SaaS product, software as a service. Basically, go and get a software created. You can go to a website called upwork.com, and you can hire a software developer for quite cheap, and you can charge a monthly subscription for the software. Now, I'm actually doing this. I only recommend methods that I'm doing, and I make around about $20,000 per month from a software that I have. It's made quite a significant amount of money so far, and it didn't cost me much to create this particular product. So what I recommend you do is go and kind of research how to create a software as a service product. You can hire people to do that for you. And then it does become passive over time as you build out a team and you get traffic to that particular product. I do organic traffic. If you're doing advertising, it's not really a passive income stream. But my product is a passive income stream because I do literally no work at all, very minimal, maybe like a couple of hours a year at this point of time. So it is very passive for me. So that is software as a service, creating a software. Now, number 5 is truly 100% passive, but there is a bit of a risk in this. So let's talk about that right now. And that is called investing in stocks. Now, I talked about at the start of this video how one of the passive income streams that I have pretty much makes me a living wage. Well, that's stocks. I'll put a thing up on the screen because my phone's I'm using for the mic right now. But basically, I put money into stocks, and in the last year, I've made around about $17,000 in dividends and the increase in prices from the stocks. And over here, that's around about a living wage. It's actually below a living wage, but I could live off that if I wanted to. So $17,000 per year in stocks. And that is completely passive because I've put my money in and I've just let it sit there. I haven't done any work. However, I did put quite a bit of money in to get that money, and there is a big risk in stocks. The markets are overextended right now, and they could drop at any time, or maybe they won't drop. We don't know that. So just be aware that there is a big risk in putting money into stocks. However, if you want to kind of control that risk and you want to have the lowest risk possible, I recommend putting your money into things like ETFs, and over here we have different stocks to America, but things that have like a lot of companies in it. So for example, I put mine in the NZ top 50, which means that my money is spread over 50 companies. So if one of those companies goes down, it's not really going to affect me much at all. Probably it's not going to affect me. Maybe if 5 or 6 go down, it might affect me, but you're pretty safe putting your money into like an index fund or some sort of fund that has a lot of companies in it and that pays you a dividend every single year. So if you want truly passive income, I would recommend putting like just a little bit of money away every week, $20, $30, $10 into a stock portfolio. You can do it automatically now every single week with apps that are out there. There's a lot of apps that you can use in your country. The one that I use here in New Zealand is called Sherry's, and I also do it through my bank. So you should also be able to do stock investing through your bank. Now, number 6 is one of my favorites as well, and I do this as well. In fact, I'm actually looking for a property this week. I'm going to be putting an offer in on another property. Now, one thing about real estate a lot of people get wrong is a lot of people buy real estate because they want the price to increase and they want to make money really fast. The way I do real estate, or the way I think about real estate, is if the bank's going to give me a mortgage or a loan and I can buy a property and I can collect rent from that property, then essentially someone else is paying off that mortgage for me, and then in 20 or 30 years time I could sell that and get the money back, and that's my money. So what you want to do with real estate is use the bank's money, if they will lend you the money, go and buy some property and then get the rent, and the rent will eventually pay down that mortgage, and then one day you will be making passive passive income from that once the mortgage gets paid down. They are paying that down for you. So you're not really using any of your money to pay off that real estate. So when you buy property, obviously you've got insurance and you've got a mortgage and you've got interest. So at the start, you're probably gonna maybe have to pay a little bit of money, or you're gonna be even, and you won't start to make really good profits for quite a while. But once you pay down that loan, you will start to make good profits. What I recommend you do with property is don't get into property thinking that you're going to become a multi-millionaire quick. That can happen at the right times. For example, when there's a recession and you can buy property for really cheap and then it goes up really quickly, then yes, you can make a lot of money. However, in most countries right now, the real estate market's overextended and you want to just be buying based on rental returns and just get rent to pay off that mortgage for you. So yeah, real estate is probably one of my best passive income streams right now that's truly passive. I don't do any work. I have property managers and everyone that does everything for me. I just look for the properties every now and then. Now, number 7 is also one of my favorites, and it kind of works in with everything else. Starting a blog. You can start a blog on any particular niche. The best thing about blogging is you can do affiliate marketing with blogging. You can sell your course with blogging. All you need to do with blogging is blog about specific topics and get organic traffic to that blog. Once you get organic traffic to that blog, then you can sell whatever you want, affiliate marketing products or your own course. Now I have multiple blogs online, and what I'll do is I'll leave a card up on the screen that you can click, because we're not going to get into too much detail right now. I'll show you exactly one of my blogs that makes quite a good amount of money, and I'll also show you how you can create your own blog. Blogging online is probably where most people start online when they're trying to make money, usually with they usually start with blogging or YouTube. Because basically you just want to get traffic sources, and here's a great way to get traffic sources, and then you can start to make passive income once you have the traffic sources. So blogging is a very good way to start making passive income online. Check that video out for more details on that. Now the bonus is something that is getting really popular now and it's really easy to get into, and that is called starting an Amazon associate website, an Amazon affiliate website. So Amazon has an affiliate marketing network that you can sign up to, and you get commissions for promoting products. And there's this kind of thing called Amazon associate websites. The good thing about this is you don't actually have to create your own anymore. You can go to a website called Flipper, and you can find websites on Flipper that are already set up for you, already ready to go. You purchase them, and then you essentially just go out and start producing traffic for those websites, and you can make commissions. Now, Amazon Associates is quite low commissions, but Amazon is pretty good at recommending products and getting those commissions up for you. So that's my bonus, guys. Go and research how to start an Amazon Associate website. You can start making affiliate commissions on the Amazon platform, or you can go and buy a website already pre-made to give you a head start. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about some of these topics, I will leave some videos up on the screen that you can click right now that will take you through step by step how to do some of these particular methods, and I'll leave a playlist that will show you some of these methods as well in detail if you want to learn more about how to do some of these particular passive income methods. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, guys, tap that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll reply and help you out, and I'll see you on the next video.